Good afternoon, everybody. This is my brand new to me 2012 Suzuki v-strom 650, also known as the v-strom. It is a beautiful bike, rides like a dream, especially compared to my CBR 250 that I've been riding. And we are in for a special treat because we are going to be heading over to the Dauphin Island motorcycle show. I think what I'll do at this show is I'll take lots of photos with my phone, and then I'll put those in the video. See if I can do that. This road is really busy right now, also, unlike I've ever seen before. I come down here for meetings. I have a client down on Dauphin Island. I was actually here last Tuesday, and this road is empty. So this is sort of surprising. Now the other thing is, well, it's Sunday, so people might be going to the beach and stuff. But Mobile, the city of Mobile, all of those schools have break this week. So a lot of those folks might actually have places to stay on Dauphin Island, you know, little summer houses and stuff. Oh my, here's a big group. Big group. Well, I hope the party isn't over. That is the 3-mile bridge we're getting ready to go on. You can see where it gets really high, but it's 3 miles. It's, you know, besides that, it's still 3 miles. And they always say it's a 3-mile bridge, and I didn't believe them, so I went ahead and set my odometer to it one day, and guess what? It's 3 miles. Alright, I'm not going to be able to wave to anybody when I'm on the bridge. It's too windy. Hands on the wheel, or the handlebars, I should say. Now, 3 miles. Stay in your goddamn lane, man. Sweet. Going up. It's gonna be a nice view up here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. So that is Dauphin Island, where we are headed. Whoa. I am just going to ride to the other end of the island, just so I could sort of see the water, and then I'm going to turn around and head home. Well, unless something more interesting comes on, I'm probably going to end the video here. So, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the Dauphin Island, the 20th annual Dauphin Island Motorcycle Show, and the beautiful ride down here. Please subscribe. Please watch. Tell your friends. This is Bama Norman out.